Reporting in Dynamics RMS is powerful and flexible. To access the list of available reports, click on the Reports menu. You may select from reports that are grouped by customers, sales, items, quotes and orders, layaway, and miscellaneous. The Custom menu will show customized reports that have been placed in your Reports folder. If you require reports that are not shown in the standard list, contact Retail Hero to assist in the design and creation of custom reports. The Memorized menu shows a list of reports that you have slightly modified and wish to recall at a later time. Click on the Sales, Detailed Sales Report. Before a report is shown, you are presented with the current default filter for the report. A filter is used to specify what data you would like to see on the report. The top portion of the window is used to design filter criteria, and the bottom of the window shows the actual active filter for the report. By default, this report shows data from today. It is possible to remove filter criteria by clicking the Remove button. To add to the filter, select Department, choose the operator, and select a department from the drop-down list. When you have selected the criteria, choose the expression. In this case, we'll choose AND. Click on Add to apply the filter. The filter would now read, for items sold within this date range, and department equals infant. If you were to click OK, that is how the filter would be applied to the report. To change a line in the filter, highlight it, modify the criteria, in this case we'll use negate expression to use the word not, and click Change. Now this report would show items sold within this date range and not from the department infant. Click OK to run the report. You are shown the results of your report. Notice that the filter you selected is listed in the top right corner of the report. Dynamics RMS uses active reports, which can be manipulated after being run to show exactly the data you are looking for. It is possible to grab and rearrange the columns. If the columns are grouped, then dragging a column to the far left would cause the information to be grouped by that column's data. Report functions are displayed along the top menu bar. The first icon will print the current report. The next icon groups the data by the columns on the left of the report. How many columns are grouped can be selected by clicking the small black arrow. The next icon will bring the filter window back up. You can show or hide the report header or show or hide columns. It is also possible to right-click anywhere on the report and click Show Hide Columns. Let's hide the category and sold price columns. The next three icons expand the grouping, collapse all groups, or collapse just the grouped rows. After you have made these slight changes to the report, you may want to save this configuration. This can be done by clicking the disk icon to memorize the report. Give the report a meaningful name, and click Memorize. The report, with your changes, can now be run from the Reports Memorized menu. Click Generate. You will notice that your filter settings remain. Click OK. The changes to columns were also memorized. The Export icon on the menu bar allows the report to be exported in a variety of formats. You can send the report to an email, application, or file, and choose a file format of HTML, CSV, tab delimited text, or XML. Click OK to export your report and choose the location to save the file. You can copy any highlighted cells or copy the whole report as a table to be pasted into another application. Finally, the arrows icon will refresh the report based on your criteria with live sales data. This allows for the most up-to-date reporting.